So as you can see, we've come a long way since the initial video of the deck. What we've done is we've demolished the upper deck, removing all the wood railings and swapping out the wood posts for metal posts. Once all the decking boards were pulled off, what we did is we had a engineering company do a report for the deck itself, for the working loads, and we've calculated based on the type of stone that we're going to be using that it's going to be approximately 25 pounds per square foot extra. So we had them calculate what we needed to do to reinforce the deck itself, and I think that's a good idea. If you're not certain, it takes any of the guessing work out, and what we've ended up having to do is laminate all the 2x6s with a second 2x6, as well as double up some of the beams. For the upper deck here, because of the level of the house going into the patio door, we've actually taken 2x4s and attached them to each side of the 2x6, allowing the silica systems to drop flush with the old existing deck. Now we've ended up having to do a couple of things here. Instead of a railing, what we're doing here is a wall that's going to be covered with a slate stone backing onto the barbecue. We've had a challenge of a septic tank underneath, so we're going to the center beam is removable with the silica grate. It makes it easy because it's just the grates themselves that lift out. Again, here's the upper deck with the 2x4s on each side, and the lower deck is the 2x6s that have been doubled up to support the load. Again, with the upper deck, we're going to be cladding it with stucco and stone, so the steel posts were cladded with wood. Give it that tapered, staggered look. And the rim board on the upper deck, which you can't really see because of the sun here, it's going to be stucco clad. And what we've done is we've done strips of 1/4 inch thick wood, which is going to allow the drainage between the deck and the stucco. All the reinforcements for the new railing are there, as well as the location for the aluminum stairs. So a lot of work. We added about 5 yards, 7 tons of gravel to stabilize everything and bring up the levels, but in the end it's going to be well worth it, and we're getting ready to lay the silica grates. We'll take some stills as it progresses and do a brief video once it's all done.